Agriculture is one of the most important economic sectors of Vietnam, with more than 60 million farmers. Recently, agriculture has become the lighting point of Vietnam's economy in the fluctuating period of financial issues and global food security. Despite that, Vietnam agriculture faces many challenges, from climate changes, disease outbreaks, and intensive farming leading to land and water pollution. Besides this, the environment is damaged by chemicals and antibiotics overuse. Understanding this situation, UV Vietnam established one of the largest high-technology biofactory with 2.5 hectares total area in An Ha Industrial Zone, Ho Chi Minh City. This is our third factory, valued at 12 million USD investment, including advanced production chain for semi-solid raw probiotic material with a fermentation capacity of 1,200 tons per year. Submerged fermentation probiotic production line with a capacity of 5,000 liters per batch. Production line for antibodies, interferons, and recombinant proteins for veterinary application at a capacity of 500 liters per batch. Production line for aquaculture vaccine at a capacity of 500 liters per batch. A herbal extraction line using ultrasonic technology with a capacity of 500 liters per hour. Producing chains operate in a closed automatic system from fertilizing to harvesting and packaging stage. This maintains the requirement of biosecure and contamination control. All parameters, including pH, temperature, and pressure, are strictly controlled to optimize the production process. In addition, our biotechnology factory is equipped with the most advanced technology in Southeast Asia infrastructure and facilities to accommodate the production process of vacuum drying and mixing system, preserve cell integrity, enhancing product stability and bioactivity by low-temperature biomass drying technology. Ultrafine grinding system, enhance product dispersion and adhesion, improving animals' product and nutrient uptake. Cross-flow filtration system concentrates biomass at a stable temperature from 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, achieving probiotic concentration at 10 times higher compared to conventional method. Notably, our industrial freeze-dry system, imported from Germany, can perform sublimation drying in large batch of probiotics at -55 degrees Celsius, ensuring probiotic concentration at 100 billion CFU per gram. Furthermore, other facilities and machines in the production chain are well controlled. On the technical aspect, all processes of microbial strain selection, enhancement, preservation, and activation are strictly controlled based on scientific research to ensure the stability and quality of microbial strains before production. For probiotic strain selection, besides careful selection from well-trusted international biological banks from America, Australia, Japan, and Europe, we also collaborate with leading experts from local and international institutes and universities to obtain high-quality strains both from research and field sampling. Our highly skilled R&D team conducts advanced probiotic investigation by isolating and selecting the local probiotic strains that are well adapted to the local climate, environment, and cultivation conditions. Furthermore, we apply advanced genetic recombination techniques to develop high-performance strains. These research undergo rigorous testing on animals like mouse, rabbit, shrimp, and fish to ensure safety before production. Additionally, with an infrastructure system and quality management system meeting GMP, WHO and ISO 9001:2015 standards, our products are strictly controlled to ensure the highest standards of productivity and quality. Our products are ensured to meet biological, physical, and chemical standards and comply with domestic and international regulations with guaranteed product traceability. Over the past years, we have been actively realizing our vision to implement biotechnology in agriculture production in Vietnam. Our products have been tested and well integrated on wide scale through rigorous field trial projects as well as product commercialization. Several of our farming protocols employing digestive and environmental probiotics, along with probiofarm models, have been applied to a wide range of aquaculture species, including Pangasius catfish, snakehead fish, frogs, white leg shrimp, black tiger shrimp, and many others across the country. Practical results have demonstrated clear effectiveness as we received positive feedback from farms of different scales, technicians, and notably major industry partners. These models and products leverage the power of beneficial microbes to boost animals' digestion and immunity, as well as antagonizing against pathogens during the rearing. This approach helps addressing the challenges in seed quality, farming conditions, providing sustainable values to the local and regional aquaculture industry. Being a responsible member in the agriculture value chain, we aspire to become a Vietnamese enterprise that can deliver the comprehensive biology solution through research-driven high-quality products, enclosed probiotics protocol, technical services, management solutions, and animal healthcare from nursery to grow-out production. Alongside opportunities come challenges, but we hold a firm belief in the mission that UV Vietnam has steadfastly pursued. And at the same time, we continue to call on all producers, scientists, and farmers to join hands in raising community awareness towards an efficient but sustainable agriculture, step by step upgrading Vietnamese agriculture as a vital contributor to the global food chain built with true values. UV Vietnam, bringing the peace of mind to our partners.